It's because of the weather. It was like hot and then
Cold.
yeah. I was actually sick
Hot
in
and cold.
Saipan. Yeah, I was sick in Saipan.
When you go home tomorrow, you put, you know, the bonnet. How do you call that?
Yung bonnet sa atin, ano bang tawag doon? Yung parang
Tatalakbong
Baguio
ba siya?
style.
Magsusuob siya, ganun.
No,
Hindi.
just
Cover.
put the
The,
bonnet.
like, the hood,
Yeah, the
the
hood.
hood of your...
Oh, like my jacket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You need to cover your ears.
Oh, okay.
That one will go away.
Yes.
Because sometimes they make me go under the steam
Don't,
Sinusuob daw siya.
who's doing it?
at the house.
If you do steam,
not good.
You're not supposed to go
Yes.
out anymore. Just cover your ears with the bonnet. You call that bonnet?
O kaya yung jacket na nakaganon, di ba?
Hindi, mas maganda yung bonnet kasi
Bonnet.
cover niyo po
Oh,
yung
isa
ulo.
bonnet. I-bonnet yun.
Ay,
Yeah.
meron yata sa amin dito sa may
They call it bonnet.
SM ba yun?
You try
ito,
later.
Yeah, okay.
Bakit may masakit na yan?
Yung parang kinukurot. Naiipit.
Pero dati na yan.
Yung kahapon, di ba buong ganun siya?
Oo.
But now, ito yung naiwan.
Oh,
Nawala na, ito
nawala
lang
na yung dito
naiwan.
mo.
Pero ito lang yung masakit.
So wala na dito sa
Saka
ano,
dito.
sa may sciatic na sinasabi.
Yung oo, yung buong ganun. After you did the like this,
Mhm.
di ba sakit? And then
Wala na
after
dito.
that, nawala.
Shoulder wala na rin.
Wala na rin. And then, but this one na lang, yung parang iniipit here.
Muscle.
No, it's not muscle. This one, like
Oh.
ito, parang kinukurot na ganun. This
Sige.
part. Both side, like dito siya.
Sige,
And then
yeah.
this one.
Dapat. Meron ka ano? Meron ka bang mga matigas na bagay? Sa bulsa wala.
Wala naman. Ito lang.
Saan kinukulit ka? Dito?
Taas ng konti.
Dito.
Baba ng konti. Sa pag baba ng konti, yan, dyan. Parang kinukurot yan. Yung pinipinot mo nila. Both sides.
Yeah, me, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Sige na pa. Dito may ano ka ba dito? Nararamdaman?
Ito.
Dito lang. Dito.
Hmm.
Sige. Yung edge. Lagyan muna natin ito. Patong mo. Dito. Sige. Pagkusin mo yung paa mo. Malalim. Chin up. Chin up. Relax mo yung ulo mo. Ang malalim. Labas mo. Kapag malalim. Labas. Yun.
Ayan.
Tumunog.
Tumunog.
Ilan?
Apat.
Apat.
Apat na tumunog.
Umukod ka po naman. Relax mo lang. Malalim.
Tumunog.
Relax. Sapa. Relax mo lang. Sige, chin up. Chin up. Ayan. Relax mo lang. Makain malalim. Labas mo. Yan. Sarap tulog mo kagabi.
Feels good.
Sino more, right?
Huh?
It's not really
Hurting.
Yeah,
your mucus because it's hot.
yeah.
That's cold. Relax. Okay. Balik. Baba mo na. I-check mo muna tayo. Yung masakit. Nawala. Wala na.
Wala na yung sa likod. Ito na lang.
Meron pa rin yan.
Ito.
Oo.
Nasa taas. Ito siya eh. Ayan. Ito siya. Parang iniipit.
Dito.
Kabilaan. Ano to? Ito. Ang kinukurot na dito.
Ugat.
Side way. Meron?
Meron.
Okay, tatila.
Good job.
Relax mo lang, baluktot mo pa.
Sarap matulog.
Sarap na tayo.
Masarap pakiramdam after. Parang masarap matulog na lang.
Kasi mag-release yung mga ugat. Maganda yung dali.
Pero nakita gumaan na yung ano mo eh, no? Flexible.
I-check mo ulit. Nawala. Tanggal, di ba?
Bawasan.
Yun na yun.
Nawala na.
Sa may piki.
Pigi ba ito? Tagal.
Yung pakila niya kanina.
Dito ang connection niya. Yung
Dito.
leakage. Yung leakage na nandito.
It needs to stretch lang.
Nabanat.
Hindi pag hindi yung
Na-stretch? Yung ano?
yan ang connection niya. Papunta dito yan sa muscle. Kaya,
Kaya noon una sumasakit yung ganito mo. Dire-diretsong ganyan. Ito yan, dire-diretso pa ganun.
Mabuti na agapan mo.
Pero
Mas
ngayon,
kahapon.
nawala na yung sa may...
Yung kahapon, pagka masahe mo, nawala na, ang naiwan lang ito. Sa
Ay, wala.
yan dito.
Oh,
Yan,
yung dito, okay naman na.
wala na.
So yung sa baba, wala na rin.
Wala na. Ang naiwan kasi kahapon
Hindi ka
ito.
nabalik.
Kaya ibo ko
Yes,
bumalik
okay.
ngayon.
Mm.
Pero nawala na.
Wala na.
Mine is still just the same problem.
Same problem.
Yeah.
Saka yung sipon niya.
I want you to lie down face down first. Dito na parang butok mo ang mga natin.
Uy.
It's good. Yeah.
So,
Okay, I want you to lie down face up.
Body just
Left
feels
side.
Huh?
Left side. The pain.
Yes.
Left side. Oh, okay. Okay, I want you to relax. Oh, now it's more loose now, right?
Yes.
Than yesterday. Yesterday is
Yeah.
very tight.
Yeah. So good.
And I don't want to force it because
Yeah.
I might hurt your ligament.
Yeah. So good.
Just one. Release already the pain.
Oh, okay.
Sarap lang.
ang sarap.
No?
Lumagotok talaga.
That's so good.
Okay, I want you to sit down. If the pain release, you need to bother the
Yeah. Oh my God, that feels so good. Really popped.
down, drop. Ayaw pa rin po. Can you sit down?
Huh?
Sit down. Well, yeah, just quickly. I want you to hug yourself.
This is not popping.
Myself. Oh,
Diba?
Relax.
yeah. Oh, that's so good.
Relax. Drop your shoulder.
Oh, that's so good. Oh, did you hear that?
I hear that.
Yeah. Did you hear that? Oh my God, it feels so good. That's so good.
The one
So
that
good.
yesterday it's hard for me to,
The pop, right?
yeah, because it's hard. That's your first time, but now
Yeah.
you hear everything. Right?
Yes. It's so good.
Now feel your hand. No more.
It's good.
Right there, right?
Yes.
No more the,
No.
see.
Yeah, it's good.